Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
The community in Goa is truly professionalist people, and I appreciate you, and I congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa for his proactive role in facilitating the completion and commissioning of this modern complex. I also appreciate the efforts of the Honorable Chief Justice of Bombay High Court, Speedy, and his team in making the dream into a reality. I also applaud the contribution of Goa government officers who have played an important role in the shaping of this building. Today, as the wheels of justice begin to move in this modern, spacious complex, I am confident that the Goa bench will live and shine with the greater glory.
A full-fledged forensic laboratory will also go a long way in the better administration of criminal justice in this state. We often experience that undue delay is caused in speedy disposal of criminal cases on account of unavailability of forensic reports from outstation facilities. We are sure that the state administration, under the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister, will also look into this important issue and act with expedition. I have information that the Honorable Chief Minister has set the ball rolling by making an announcement in regard to setting up an institute for forensic science. We hope and trust that no stone would be left unturned to have this facility of a laboratory in place soon. Presently, our High Court is functioning with nearly 66% of its sanctioned strength. Since I took charge as the Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court, there have been 15 retirements. 3 judges are on the verge of retirement. During this time, only 4 new judges have been elevated. These several bottlenecks notwithstanding, there has been no slip in administration of justice according to the oath the judges have taken. Once the functional strength improves, it will provide me with the opportunity to send more judges to Goa to reduce dependency as far as possible.
The idea of judicial infrastructure cannot be one that is static, rather than it should be the response and adapt to the changes in the surrounding context. My government is endeavored to provide for the best of the infrastructures and facilities to the judicial, thereby facilitating and dispensation of the justice to the common man in the best of the possible manner. My government is committed to making the justice accessible to the people, to the strengthening the existing avenues and evolving newer means and achieving the affordable, the quick and satisfactory settlement of the disputes. My government is committed to continue such endeavors in future.